There will be no Exynos chip for at least 2 years. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. So guys, as you know that Samsung made two different processors for their S series devices. One is running the Snapdragon in US, Canada, China and South Korea, whereas the Exynos chip was running for rest of the world. Like this time around we have seen the Asian markets were coming with the Snapdragon variant, whereas the only European market was coming with the Exynos processor. The problem with the Exynos is that its performance is way less than the Snapdragon. So Samsung was trying their hard in order to compete the Exynos processor with the Snapdragon, but they were failing. Even with the AMD GPU, it's not performing well. So that's why it's supported that Samsung has decided to end the Exynos processor for at least 2 years, meaning the Samsung Galaxy S23 series and the S24 series will only be shipping with the Snapdragon. This is going to be not the death of the Exynos, but it's surely going to be the end for now. According to the South Korean media, Samsung is making a dream team of 1000 employees for development of a dream Galaxy chip by 2025. The main goal of this chip is to surpass Apple Silicon once for all. Right now, Samsung is finally being serious about this whole chip issue, and the reports also mentioned that Samsung is investing billions of dollars in their semiconductor division. The Exynos chip that Samsung has made so far have all been generalized chips that can be used by other phones, meaning they never made the chipset exclusive for the Galaxy phones. So definitely this means that the 2025 chipset will exclusively be available for their Samsung flagship devices. And a Samsung phone, despite having a biggest battery in the game for 3 generations, yet they cannot beat the iPhone that have much less battery. Ending the Exynos for now is what best for the business. Like I said, 1 year is not enough for them to magically make a chip that's as good as Apple A16 or even the current Apple A15 chipset. Even with the AMD on their side, they couldn't do it. This could take until 2025 in my opinion, but wait will be worth it. Hopefully Samsung will be using special Galaxy chips on their Galaxy products and finally putting an end to this global dual chip. Let me know your thoughts. What do you think about in the comment section below. Samsung Silicon 4 Galaxy exclusive is coming to surpass Apple. I'm excited for this to happen. Of course, we have to wait. As far as the S23 series, we don't know if they are going to adopt the Snapdragon chipset completely or they have split with the MediaTek. We will hear more in the news. Let me know your thoughts. What do you think in the comment section below. If you guys are new here, be sure to subscribe with all the latest tech news and more. I will see you guys later. Peace out.